In this question, you're given the equation 4x plus 3y plus lambda is equal to 0. You're asked to find this lambda so that the distance from origin is 5 units. This has to be at a distance of 5 units from origin. If that is so, what is the value of lambda? Again, direct formula based question. What is the distance of this line from origin? Modulus of the constant term by root of 4 square plus 3 square. And this is given as equal to 5 units. This implies modulus of lambda by 5 is equal to 5. Modulus of lambda by 5 is equal to 5. This implies lambda by 5 is equal to plus or minus 5. And this implies lambda is equal to plus or minus 25. So lambda can be either plus 25 or minus 25, so that the distance from origin is 5 units. Thank you.